How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to flush or clear your cache files on Siteground. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So let's say that you guys are hosting a website or a domain using Siteground as your host. And anyone in web hosting knows that it's a good rule of thumb to always and periodically flush your cache DNS for maintenance. And the reason that you may want to do this is because this action actually speeds up your website as it clears some old file repositories and basically reorganizes the files so your server doesn't get overloaded. So to do it is quite simple, and what you guys need to do is once you log into your SiteGround account as an administrator and you're on the dashboard, you want to look for the tab that says speed. So it's this one right here. So what we're looking for here is basically following this path, being site tools, speed, and caching. So to show you guys what I mean, this is what it looks like. So here's the dashboard, here's speed, here's caching, and when you guys click on this, it should take you to this page right here, where you're met with three options being NGINX direct delivery, dynamic cache, and memcache or memory cached. So you would want to click on dynamic cache right here, and then when you guys click on actions right here, so it's this button, you'll be met with three options being download plugin for WordPress, or download plugin for Joomla, or flush cache. So we're looking to flush our cache. So you simply want to click on it as normal. So it's this one right here. So once again, speed, caching, dynamic cache, and flush cache. So you'll immediately see that your website has sped up in loading times as well as operations. So yeah, there you guys have it. So hopefully this video helped you guys out. And if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you guys want to show your support to that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.